Are you struggling to find a job? Then this video is for you. Over the past few years, have discovered some simple but effective tricks that can help you get hired faster. In this video, I will share all of them with you. Make sure you watch till the end because I've got a bonus tip that most job seekers don't know about. First tip is customize your resume. Do not send the same resume everywhere. Match your skills and experience to the job description. I have made a dedicated video for this topic. Please watch that video after this. You will get a clear step-on-step instruction how to do that. Tip number 2 is research about the company. Before the interview, spend 10 minutes learning about the company and its products and its values. And during the interview, just tell them about their company and what you like in them and why you want to work for them. This really will help your chance to get hired in that company. Tip 3 is that practice all the common questions like, tell me about yourself and why we should hire you and what are your backgrounds and experience. All these questions, most of the interviews will ask you to test your communication skills. So before the interview, please practice. If you want to make sure that you should get a job, then you should follow the tip number 4 because this one tip can actually, help you get a job. That is clear communication skills. Speak clearly, maintain eye contact and show confidence. Employers hire people they believe they can work well with others. So always remember, communication is just key. So please practice on. Tip number 5 is after the interview, please send them a thank you message because it will leave a positive impression and show your interest in the role. Remember, getting hired isn't just about qualification, it's about preparation, confidence and persistence. And bonus tip is build your network. Many jobs are filed through referrals, so stay connected with colleagues, friends and recruiters. This is one of the best way that you can get a jobs. I know all the tips that I shared today will help you to get a job faster. And if you have any tips, please tell me on the comment section so that others will learn about those tips. And if you want to make any other particular video, please let me know. So I'm happy to make that video for you. Thank you for watching and see you next video.